Welcome my lovelies. Today I'm participating in a fall tablescape challenge hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner, and basically Kenya asked us to set up a table with a DIY, and I'm just showing you guys a quick clip of what my table usually looked like. I was so happy when I heard about this challenge, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the process and you'll see the final product at the end. So starting with my main centerpiece, I went to Home Goods and I was able to pick up this mirrored tray for $35. I added some of these bowl fillers, which I also picked up in the clearance section in Home Goods. It was only $8, and they're nice big chunky pieces, so I was able just to fill in the areas between the pumpkins that I already had. I love gathering things that I already have and just sprucing it up and making it something new. And if you guys are wondering where I got these pumpkins from, these pumpkins I purchased from Ross, but it has been quite a few years. I would like to say anywhere between 2 and 3 years ago. And I just love finding key good pieces that will last a lifetime, and I'd rather spend a little bit more just in quality pieces so they can continue to grow in my collection. And for the final look, you guys, I added the bouquets next to each side of the tray. These bouquets were also purchased in Home Goods a while back. I actually had them in my master bedroom. I like to have pieces where I can move around the house, and every time there's a holiday I can just move them to create a brand new look. And inside these bouquets I added some DIY pumpkin picks. Basically in the dollar store, they're orange picks. I just painted them white and added some glitter. I absolutely love the little touch of fall, but I'm still using what I have already in my house. So this is the final look with the wine glasses and the glasses, guys. I like to keep my centerpieces low. As you can see, we do use this table quite often. We not only eat here, we study here, we do Bible studies, we do homework. It's very, very loved and used table. This table is about 18 years old, and so we just love it to pieces and definitely enjoy using it every single day. The last thing I'm on a hunt for are some little votive candles made of mercury glass. I still haven't found them, but I think that will complete this look and give it a little bit of ambiance. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You're always appreciated. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video, guys. I'm still working on the fall home tour. I will have it up by next week. I know I promised you guys by the 22nd, but I felt very ill and I was not able to complete it. So just bear with me and just know that I love you guys and you're always in my thoughts and in my prayers. Take care, and until the next video.